Again, welcomes to you on online platform of Sri Sham Education Group Badra. I am Sunil Sharma, teacher of mathematics. Today I will teach you exercise 4.4. Our topic is linear equation in two variable. Class 9th. Our first question is give the geometric representation of the geometric representation of y is equal 3 as an equation. Okay, first part, in one variable and second in two variable. Solution of part first. Y is equal 3, then value of x is equal 0 on x-axis. Okay, the representation of the solution on the number line is shown in figure. Where y is equal 3 treated as an equation in one variable. Where y is equal 3 is treated as an equation in one variable. An equation in one variable. Okay, in figure draw a line. Its middle point 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let this is y axis, or we know that on y-axis value of x is 0. This point represent y is equal 3. On this axis, let this is y-axis, okay, minus y and प्लस y. तो इसको अपन ऐसे राइट कर सकते हैं, y-axis origin point plus y and minus y. 1 2 3 0 -1 -2 and -3. Okay, this is y is equal 3. Y is equal 3, and we know that on y-axis x is equal 0. Okay. Now second part in two variable. So in first part, the represents of solution on the number line is shown in figure, where y is equal 3 is stated as an equation in one variable. Okay. तो वन वेरिएबल है, y की वैल्यू 3 है, x की वैल्यू डायरेक्ट क्या होगी 0. नाउ पार्ट नंबर सेकंड. We know that y is equal 3 because part number second, because we know that y is equal 3 can be written as follows. y is equal 3 है तो x की वैल्यू क्या है 0. तो 0 इंटू एक्स प्लस वैल्यू ऑफ y 3 है प्लस 1y प्लस 1 इंटू y is equal 3. This is our equation number first. Which is this is linear equation in two variable. Okay. Equation first. Now draw the table. Okay. X, Y and points on graph. Points on graph. Put the value of y. Put the value of y is equal 3. -2, then value of y uh, 0 and 3. Okay. Put x is equal -2 in equation first. 0 into -2 plus y is equal 3. Then 0 plus y is equal 3. Y is equal 3. Okay. Put y is equal x is equal 0 in equation first. Then 0 into 0 plus y is equal 3. Then y is equal 3. Okay. 3. Put x is equal 3 in equation first. Then 0 into 3 plus y is equal 3. 0 plus y is equal 3. Y is equal 3. Okay. y की सेम वैल्यू है. पॉइंट्स ऑन ग्राफ a -2, 3, b 0, 3 and c 3, 3. Okay. This is our table first. This is our table first. Okay. Now by table first, we obtained the graph. Okay. First of all, set the format of graph. Minus x-axis की need है. Okay, minus x-axis और this is y-axis. X plus x minus x and minus y, origin point O. This is format of graph. Okay, we can say Cartesian coordinate system. Now set the scale on each axis. On first of all, we set the scale on x-axis. Minimum value is -2 and maximum is 3. -1, -2, -3. 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3. और मैक्सिमम क्या है? यहाँ पे -1, -2 की नीड नहीं है. मैक्सिमम 3 है. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now plot the point on graph. -2 and 3. This point. 0 and 3. This point. And 3 and 3. This point. Okay. The joining line by all plotting point, we obtained a straight line. Okay. The straight line represent equation 0x plus 2y 1y is equal 0. 3 and 3. This point is C. Point B. This is point B. 0, 3 and this point is A. -2, 3. Okay. Now write the scale. Scale on x-axis. One big box is equal 1 unit, and on y-axis one big box is equal also 1 unit. Okay, so our question number first is complete. Now question number second. Question number second is also as well as question number first. Question number second. Give the geometric representation. Give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 is equal 0. Of 2x plus 9 is equal 0. Okay, as an equation first in one variable and second in two variable. Okay, solution of part first. The representation of solution of the equation, the representation of the solution of equation, the solution of the equation two x plus 9 is equal 0. 2x is equal minus 9 and x is equal minus 9 upon 2. Okay, this is x-axis, middle point 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 9 by 2 it means 5.5 माइनस का, तो इसके मिडिल में हो जाएगा. दिस पॉइंट P, this point represent minus 9 upon 2, and on x-axis we know that a value of y is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus x-axis. Okay, this point represent minus 9 by 2 and 0. Okay, so let this is point A. Coordinate of point A. Coordinate of point A represent the equation two x plus 9 is equal 0. Okay, in one variable. Okay, now question number second part of question number second. We know that two x plus 9 is equal 0. We can be written is as follows. Okay, 2x plus 0y plus 9 is equal 0. 2x plus 0 into y plus 9 is equal 0. This is a linear equation in two variables. Okay, let this is equation number first. Okay, now draw the table for equation first. Minimum 3 values available on this table. Table first, x, y and points on graph. Put value of x minus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2. Okay, put x is equal minus 9 by 2 in equation first. Then 2 into minus 9 by 2 plus 0 into y is equal 0. 2 cancel by 2. Minus 9 plus 0 into y is equal इसको अपन ऐसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं 2x plus 2x is equal minus 9. Then we can write 2x plus 0y is equal minus 9. Okay, this is our equation number first. Put x is equal minus 9 upon 2. तो ये होगा minus 9 is equal minus 9. Okay, minus 9 plus 0y is equal -9 minus plus 0y is equal -9 and +9. They are cancelled. 0y is equal 0. Okay. -9/2 and 0. Now put x is equal minus 9/2 सॉरी फॉर दैट अपन इसमें y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे। क्वेश्चन मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग के कारण रॉन्ग हो गया। y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, x की वैल्यू सेम गेन होगी। ओके, पुट y इज इक्वल 0 3 0 एंड -2। ओके, y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे अपन, तो पुट y इज इक्वल 3 इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट। 2x plus 0 into 3 is equal -9. 2x plus 0 is equal -9. X is equal -9/2. Okay, -9/2. Put x is equal 0 in equation first. Then y is equal 0 in equation first. Then 2x plus 0 into 0 is equal -9. 2x plus 0 is equal -9. X is equal -9/2. Okay, -9/2. Put y is equal -2 in equation first. Then 2x plus 0 into -2 is equal -9. 2x plus 0 is equal -9. Okay, और 2x is equal -9, x is equal -9/2. ये सिमिलर वैल्यू गेन होगी। Now points on graph, let point A -9/2, 3, point B -9/2, 0, C -9/2, -2. Okay, this is our table first. By table first we obtained the graph. Okay, first of all set the format of graph. X axis minus x axis, y axis and minus y axis. Origin point of 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3 -4 and -5. Okay, माइनस एक्स एक्सिस 1, इसमें मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या है, मिनिमम वैल्यू -9/2 है, यहाँ पे प्लॉट होएगा ये, और मिनिमम मैक्सिमम इसमें 3 है, मिनिमम -2 है। ओके, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट ए, वैल्यू ऑफ x -9/2 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ y 3, ये पॉइंट यहाँ पे प्लॉट हो जाएगा। ओके, सेकंड ये पॉइंट ए हो गया, a -9/2 and 3, point B, this point is B, -9/2 and value of y 0 and -9/2 value of x and -2 value of y, this is point C. Okay, join the 3 points, draw a straight line. Okay, this line represent the equation, linear equation in 2 variable. Okay, 2x plus 0y is equal 9 minus का. Okay, now set the scale on each axis. Write the scale on each axis. Scale on x axis, 1 big box is equal 1 unit, and on y axis 1 big box is equal also 1 unit. ओके, तो अपन इसको 2x इज इक्वल -9 किया। ओके, इसको यहाँ पे 0y राइट कर दिया, लीनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल। अब अपन x y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, x की वैल्यू सेम ही गेन होगी। ओके, y की वैल्यू 3 0 -2 ये पुट की हमने, और x की वैल्यू सेम गेन हुई। ये प्लॉट पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट हो गए टेबल फर्स्ट, और बाय टेबल फर्स्ट वी ऑब्टेन्ड ग्राफ। ओके, सो आवर चैप्टर नंबर 4 इज कंप्लीट। ओके, आप इनकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे, तो आज के लिए इतना ही, थैंक्स।